What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamarji. We are back with another video, and if you guys read about the title, we are getting into yet another half wig. Hot bed tea, and my makeup is tea. I tried a new technique, and I feel like this is gonna be my staple. We here to review this half wig by HerGivenHair. They sent me over this half wig, and it's not a curly one because I've been getting sent so many curly half wigs, like too much curly half wigs. This is a blowout, okay? This is a blowout, and my hair is gonna match with it. So I'm so happy about that. You could put it in a ponytail, you could do all of that, but today we're doing long curls. As you guys can see from the thumbnail, I feel like I got an attitude. I'm talking about as you guys can see. I'm sorry, I had an attitude. That was crazy. This is the blowout one, okay? It's not curly, finally. It's so stinking cute. Like, do y'all not see this? Like, it's so cute. There we go. And it comes with 4 combs. You have 2 big ones on the top and the bottom, and you have 2 little mini ones on the side. So this ain't going nowhere. Let's just go ahead and prep our hair for the curly flip over. Like, y'all already know. And y'all, not too much on my edges. I have edges. Like, don't ever play with me in your life. Like, I have edges. My hair is perm, so it's a little thinner, but they're very much there. I'm gonna prep my hair for this half wig. It's not gonna be nothing crazy. The whole front perimeter of my hair gonna be out. We're gonna do some BS braids in the back, nothing crazy. 2 actually. I'm not doing too much. I'm showing y'all how easy this is. I'm not doing too much. Not doing too much. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that, because if I don't do that, I'm gonna be talking all day long. I'm about to put on Justin Bieber's new album and do this. And if y'all didn't know, Justin Bieber's my birthday twin. We're gonna be on a song together one day. Clock that tea. So like I said before, for the foundation of the hair, I'm just taking out the front part, and that's going to be our leave out, and in the back I'm just doing 2 braids. And because my hair is perm, I just like to make sure that it is moisturized and I'm not tugging on it too much, and you know, like having it break off because it is chemically treated. So I just take some pink oil moisturizer and I put it on both sections, brush my hair out, and then I do this little braid, and I do the same thing for the other side. So now that I have both my braids, I just take my little wig cap and I put that over my hair just to protect my hair. Anytime I'm doing like half wigs or anything like that, I like to put a little cap on so all of my hair won't be exposed. And I'm going ahead and just clapping. I said clapping. I'm clamping that half wig straight on my hair, and I'm going to use that drawstring just so the hair is in place and I know it's not going anywhere. And after I make the drawstring as tight as I want it, I go ahead and tuck it right back into the wig. And as you guys can see, my hair is blending effortlessly with this blowout unit. My hair is blown out, it's not straightened or anything, so it definitely blended with this hair. Like, it looks very, very good. It looks really, really cute, and it's definitely giving natural baddie. Like, do not play. All right, y'all, so y'all see the hair is in. This looks like it's giving me. But no, it definitely looks like it's giving on me. Like, and I'm gonna show y'all from the back. Let me see if I can really, yeah. Like, this is eating down. Like, y'all know all the hair details is right here, so y'all can see all of that. But we're gonna go ahead and wand curl this. The only thing that we're gonna use for wand curling is we're gonna use our Sebastian Shaper Plus. This is my favorite holding spray. When I do not have this, I just be winging it, and I'll be using base glue. I'll be using Got To Be glue spray. Like, I'll be winging it, but this is the good stuff. And I always like to get this from TJ Maxx for $12. Wand curls are very easy as long as you got some holding spray. And with this hair, wand curls are so much easier as well. At first, I was going to go over it with the blow dryer and just like kind of blow it out, but all of it is blown out and it looks so good. Like, it really looks good. Like, I don't have to worry about anything, honestly. I'm not gonna be curling my baby hairs or nothing like that because my edges are permed, and my hair is permed, so I like to minimize the heat that I put on it. I already seen this whole portion of my hair is out. All of this is out and it blends effortlessly. I'm using a small wand curler, so yeah. And you guys, the only tip that I would have for the wand curling is just take your time, and when you are working with this blown out texture, it's going to give you the look that you need, so you don't have to make the parts extra small. But it's really all depending on you and what you want to do. Like, I wasn't trying to be there all day, so I was trying to do, you know, not too big sections, but you know, not too small, so I won't be there all day. And I was just curling away from my face the whole entire time mostly. And for some of them, I think I was curling towards my face, towards the front. I'm not really sure, but majority of my curls are away from my face. Y'all, so now that the hair is pretty much done, we're gonna go in with some holding spray, because I'm gonna come back to y'all. I'm about to go out and it's humid outside. It's been raining today, so we're gonna see just how well these hold up. The hair is already like blown out, so it's already a blown out texture, so let's just hope that the hair don't, you know. I'm just gonna stack this hair with some holding spray. We're gonna see how that works. Now what I'm gonna do is just kind of separate the curls a little bit from the bottoms, you know, just so it can kind of give like a little fuller. You want to separate them. Do not brush your hand through them, because that's not going to give you the look that you actually want. So you just want to separate them, go through your parts. We actually can have it going, kind of going to the side, kind of like this. That would be cute. We just need to make sure that everything is going the way that it's supposed to. But that would be cute. Go on the next side and just. This is giving supermodel. Chaka-ka, feel for you. Yeah, this is chaka-ka, give it, I got it, chaka-ka, chaka-ka, can you give me chaka-ka? Like, can you not play with me? Chaka-ka, 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 chaka-ka. Like, the helly? Oh, this is so cute. Ooh, this is too cute. Like, it's giving like messy, but still very cute. Give it up for the back. This is too cute. You don't even have to do no baby hair if I don't want to, honestly, because it's already like so cute. So I'm gonna spray it with some holding spray a little bit more. Definitely giving. I'm gonna make sure that this side is as big and poofy as I wanted it to be. I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hair, just a little bit. Take a little Eco styling gel, because I don't feel like taking out that big old extreme. I need to get me a small wet line extreme, because I have the big humongous thing and I need to get me a small one. But we're gonna go in with some Eco. I really don't, this is not my favorite. I just picked this up because it got glitter in it, and it's black castor oil, flaxseed oil styling gel. Say max hold. My hair is perm, so it's gonna hold regardless. So I'm not really like holding them to that whole perm thing. I mean hold thing. And like I'm happy that my hair is perm, because if y'all see, like it's just giving slay. So I'm just gonna do like just a little bit of baby hairs, just like a little umph to pronounce this a little bit, and a little right here, and that's it. That's all we're doing. Taking the same thing, just going in like that. Yeah. We weren't doing nothing crazy. You see? Cute. I'm rubbing my hair now and wondering what dress to wear now. I say a little prayer for you. Like that's what it's giving. I say a little prayer for you. Like this is so cute. Period. All right, y'all. So y'all see it. Too cute. Pose for camera. Bye. So cute. So I'm about to get ready to go. So I'm gonna come back to y'all and we're gonna see what the hair is looking like after I done went out for a few hours, and we're gonna see if the hair holds and all that good stuff. All right, see y'all later.
And you guys, this is what the hair looks like when I was in the humidity
and the curls dropped, but it was still looking real cute. And this is still a go-to unit because I'm still wearing this unit off and on with me working out and stuff. I love me a good half wig, so I really like it. Even though it dropped, it still gave me like a cute loose curl, so I wasn't mad at it. So this is what the hair looks like when all the curls are dropped. It was still giving real cute, like, and you can put this in a half up, half down if you wanted to. Half wigs are literally endless. You can do a lot with a half wig. Like, I'm so glad that I really implemented half wigs this summer because it was very, very easy. So if y'all want this wig, y'all already know, click the link in the description box down below and shop HerGivenHair. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. GI babies, we out.